Justin, and over there there's a train thing. And we're over there on the big train. And the big train was huge, and I didn't even know we were coming here.
Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm happy. And even over there, there's a tractor and more tractors over there, and more trucks over there. And that whistle like makes me like.
What do you think's next?
Nothing. I'm just ripping this apple off. Namaste, Mom. Question was here, and the story written.
Sing me a song, Nick. Good singing, Mr. Tootie. Are you Mr. Tootie?
I want to see the recording now.